Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today we are going to clean our glass featured on the Supreme Duet See-Thru Fireplace. So today I have two simple products. This is Max Auto Glass Cleaner from Napa, and this one is a glass cleaner specifically for creosote removal, or like if you ever get tree sap on the front of your glass, sticky stuff that won't come off. This is more heavy duty. So basically we're gonna start with standard glass cleaner. We're just gonna let it sit on for maybe 30 seconds to a minute and wipe it off with some paper towel. This is about how much of the creosote came off the glass with just the standard glass cleaner. So you can see there is a little bit of residue left on the glass. Now you can do two things. We can use our next cleaner, which is right here, or we can get our like a knife or a razor blade, and that also works really well to clean your glass. Our featured products are going to be Max Glass Cleaner from Napa, and then a glass cleaner, and that the brand is unlisted, but it's got the nice big flame logo in the middle. Ace Hardware, Lowe's, and Home Depot do tend to carry the glass cleaner product. So when you have just a little bit left on the glass that's maybe not coming off with your spray, you can just take your razor blade and get the last of it off here. All right, clean glass, a little bit left on the blade. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.